ToolPRO have created a range of powerful, sturdy and surprisingly compact open-frame digital inverters, and at 3,300 watt power output, this generator is the cream of the crop. With a whopping 10.5 litre top-mounted fuel tank powering its 182cc 4-stroke motor, you won't have to worry about this generator running out of fuel or power. The 3,300 watt inverter runs quietly too, at an operating volume of only 69 decibels at a 7 metre range, so you can use it at campgrounds or anywhere else that noise could be an issue. With a rated output of 3,000 watts and a 3,300 maximum output, this powerful generator can happily run larger power tools, compressors, fridges, microwaves and much more. Along with the entire ToolPRO range of generators, this generator uses pure sine-wave technology. That means that the massive power output is safe to use with your sensitive electronics, such as laptops, cameras and phones as well. The ToolPRO 3300 watt generator offers a range of attachment options, including dual 240-volt AC power outlets, a 12-volt DC socket and two 5-volt USB ports. To protect you and your devices, there is a built-in DC circuit breaker and safety indicator lights with auto shut-off for low oil and AC power overloads. At the top of the range, this generator also features a digital readout, allowing you to see voltage, frequency and current draw. In the unlikely event that something does go wrong, there are service centres all over Australia and New Zealand, as well as a dedicated hotline for diagnostics that can help you out. And all ToolPRO generators come with a 24-month warranty. If you want the biggest and best generator around, then the ToolPRO 3300 watt open frame digital inverter is the obvious choice.